Crafty friends, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. This is Sheree, and I'm here to do a little flip through of this little journal that we made out of the chocolate box. I went ahead and finished it up. I just did some very light decorating because I wanted to leave, when I make a smaller journal like this, I want to leave as much space as possible for the new owner, so I don't put a lot into it as far as decoration, but I will show you. I will do a flip through, and then I have a little goodie backpack right here that we'll go through at the end. But this is it, made from the family, what is it, family night scrapbook paper collection kit that I picked up. I showed you in the video on July 4th. We made this. It was a special for July 4th if you haven't seen it. And I just, created the whole thing in one video there, but then I went back and added some things, and this is the finished product. So it's got a little, from the chocolate box, it has a little tiny spine here. It's one signature, and I used this fun family time scrapbook paper kit that I got from Echo Park, but it is Carta Bella scrapbook paper. So I just love this on the cover. It reminds me of the Jetsons I said in that video, and I think it's so cute, and I have that on the front and back. This little fabric that matches, kind of a mid-century modern looking design on here, I thought went with this paper quite well, and the colors too. And so let's open up. The cover is sewn around, and I have this closure here that is, it goes all the way through, and it's sewn through, and it's glued on. So it's a very sturdy little journal with a very sturdy closure there. So on the inside here, I used this paper here from with the game pieces on it from that same scrapbook paper kit. And I used light blue thread, which looks really nice with this scrapbook paper. I used one of the journaling cards or cut aparts as a pocket here. It has these little stack of games there. It says game on, super cute. And then I put in there some of the cutoffs from this paper I made journaling cards out of, I think mostly, and a little booklet too, but here's one. And so I put on the back some of this blue lined paper for writing, so that came out really cute. And of course I had to put some playing cards in here, so this is a really cute one from some cards that I have. First of all, this mid-century modern pattern here on the back was perfect, the colors and everything, and it has a little super cute monkey on this side on a unicycle, so nothing cuter than that, right? So that's in that pocket. A fun thing there. And then this paper, also the same paper, is the first page of the signature. On this side I put a little scrap from the fabric there as a little decoration, and those two colors I thought looked really nice together. And then the next page here, I have clipped on, this is from a Smashbook journal card little package that I have, and this one said, the theme of it was family, and this says story of my nickname. So these are fun little, they have like kind of like a prompt on them, and I always like the design of them too. So this, and it's thick paper. You can write on both sides. You can glue it down, whatever you want to do. You don't have to write about your nickname. You can write whatever you want. You can put something over that, little decoration. But anyway, I just love those little Smashbook journal cards. So that's one. I think I have another one in here somewhere. And I like the bright papers that I put in here to go along with this fun scrapbook paper that I used. Anyway, this is a music manuscript paper, vintage. And then another colorful paper. And graph paper here with the, the grid, the blue, light blue grid, a piece of flip out ledger paper. This paper is from a guest book. It has pretty blue lines on it. Here's some more of that blue lined paper like I used on the back of the journal cards in here. So I've never used it on the back of journal cards before, and I had it out to make pages, and I was like, this would be so perfect on the back of journal cards. Why have I never done this before? And it does really look cool and pretty. I mean, it's just paper, but I really like it on the back of the journal cards in here. A piece of ledger paper. Another pretty bright paper here with a little tab. The graph paper. Here's another journal card here made out of the Jetsons. I'm calling them the Jetsons paper. And there's that paper that I like with the blue line, with lines with the blue lined paper. And all my paper clips are decorated. Oh, I didn't put anything on the strings. Hold on for 1 second. I'm going to see if I can grab something for the strings. Just 1 second. Okay, I found the perfect thing. I put 2 little charms on here. I already put them on here. This is a little bag of chips charm right here. It says potato chips on there. Isn't that adorable? And this one is a little balloon animal. It's a little dog balloon animal. It's green. So super cute. This one's pretty long, so it can go out the top there and hang out the top if you wanted it to. And be out of the way. And this one this one's not too bulky, so it just can hang any which way you want it to hang. But anyway, that's what I came up with really quick. And I thought those were fun for this type of theme. Family night, family game night, family day, movie night. This could be a good little travel journal, or you know, it could be like a little type of journal, perfect for Junk Journal July. So where was I? I was in the middle, where I have the Jetsons people. And on we move to the last back half here. So I used a little strip. This is from the branding strip from this paper, one of the papers we used, and I put it as a decoration right there. So, and this is another journal card here made out of the game pieces, a scrap from the game pieces paper that I used in here, and I put that blue paper on the back. Some of the corners are rounded and some are not. It depends on what's on the paper as to what I did with the corners. And the ones with an all over pattern, I like to round the corners. So some graph paper here. I have a cute little fabric tab on that page. And then we'll just flip through the rest here real quick. And I'll point out any decorations. I know I have a couple, and I don't think I missed any, but we'll see. Here's the second smash book paper I was talking about. It is clipped on here, and it says your childhood, and then prompts on here like first home, earliest memory, favorite kid food, favorite toy, pets, best friends, what you wanted to be. So see what I mean about prompts and how fun those can be? So that one is clipped there. And there's a lot of wide open space for you here. Another journaling card here with the blue paper on the back, same as the last one. So I'm not gonna, undo that. But there's 2 clusters in here. I think I missed one showing you one, but I'll try to find it in a second. But here's one. I just used made a little cluster there. This piece right here that says family night, that is from the branding strip too. So just to show you, example of what you can do with those branding strips. Use it in a cluster. And then here's the back pocket with this is a little booklet I made out of a piece of the game piece paper that was left. This is cardstock 2-sided paper, so really nice strong paper. And I put some of the blue line paper in here as pages. They are sewn in with my sewing machine with the light blue thread there, and I left the threads. You can cut them off if you like. It'd be fine to cut them off, but I did leave them for the moment because I kind of like them on there. I think it's, just a little added fun touch. So the other cluster, so there was one here toward the back, and I know there was another one. I must have put it in the front half. Here it is, and I forgot to point it out. Right there, another one of the family night little pieces there on that fabric that I used here on the spine. So, and that's on the inside too, by the way, in case you didn't see it. It's on the inside of the spine too. So anyway, this was a quick little fun little journal to use or to make, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I think it's as cute as I think it is. So this is the little goodies I put in here. I pulled up my leftovers and things from my desk. So here's a piece of fabric that I had out that I got out for the tab, and I only used half of it, so here's the other half. A little bridge tally card, since this is all about games and things like, not all about games, but you know what I mean. Has the family game night paper in here. So a tally card, another little game card here with a bunny on it, and 3 of my strips, my sewn strips that I thought went well with this journal. It's very colorful, so some very colorful little strips there. Those are sewn down the middle with pink thread. And another little game card here. This is an very old maid card. So it's tiny, and it's an old maid card. So that's in there. I put a couple of, the collection kit of scrapbook paper comes with a sheet of stickers, so I cut some out. They're still on the backing, so you can peel them off of here and use them wherever you wish in the journal to decorate or whatever you want to do, make journal cards, decorate a tag. But anyway, I just cut out some of the stickers and put them in here. I kind of wanted to put them down myself, but I thought that whoever gets this would enjoy putting these where they want. So there's some really cute pieces on here. I thought a little record, a little slide, the word champs, the word, what's this word right here? Fun, the word fun. Did I say record? Game piece, a little starburst. Winner, there's a little star there. There's a game board, a TV, old-fashioned TV, and the word champ. So some cute stickers, a game card from the Candyland game, just a little piece of a calendar here, page from a calendar, and a couple more pieces of fabric that, so you can make a cluster if you want out of the 3 pieces of fabric in here. I had this one left, a piece that says family night on it, and then a piece of the manuscript paper that was a cut off, and then another little booklet that I had made out of the paper, but I didn't want to overdo it inside. I wanted whoever gets this to be able to do what they want. So anyway, I included this other second little booklet that I made out of this piece here, and it has the same pages and sewn down the middle with some thread with my sewing machine. So that is the goodie pack that will be in this little cellophane bag. And when you see this video, it will be in my shop. I hope you enjoyed. I really enjoyed making this little journal, and I would like to make some more. I don't know. We'll see what happens, because I have, they could be, if you want to make one yourself, and you have some scrapbook paper you want to use up, or some type of paper that you want to use up. It's perfect for just, kind of a smash your stash type of thing. Just use up some paper and make one of these little journals, make a cover, and you don't have to even have the box in between. I just wanted to use one of those boxes, and it makes for a very sort of journal with all the layers, but you can just layer 2 layers of scrapbook paper back to back, glue them and sew them, or just glue them or whatever, and there you go. You have a nice little cover, and you're using up some of your paper. So thanks for watching today, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.